Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the construction on the Braeton Road. Now what they're building is like a highway in Portmore. Braeton Road connects, it's one of the busiest roads, if not the busiest road in Portmore. So what they're doing is turning it into a dual carriageway, which would be 4 lanes with the concrete barricade or the Jersey barrier in the middle, making it essentially like a highway. And this is needed because Portmore is growing. It has a very large population and it's to be a parish. I'm not sure why it's taking so long, but Portmore is so big that it's going to become a parish. So the government under the CapEx program is spending $2.5 billion to upgrade this road to the dual carriageway. And where we are now is actually Hellshire Main Road, which is part of the project to dual. It's also going to be dualized. But we're turning onto Braeton Road now. And this is the construction has started and should finish sometime next year. It's being done by China Harbour Engineering Company. Now, under the CapEx program, the government is fixing 6 main roads. They're spending billions of dollars. But this one, the three out of the six, three will be built in Portmore and 3 in Kingston. So this is one of the 6. So we're going to give you an update as to what's happening here. The dualization of Braeton Road in Portmore, St. Catherine, marks a significant milestone in Jamaica's ongoing effort to modernize its transportation infrastructure and support urban expansion. As one of the main corridors serving the rapidly growing communities of Portmore, the transformation of this roadway into a dual carriageway reflects both necessity and forward planning. For years, Braeton Road struggled under the pressure of increasing traffic volumes. Originally designed as a single carriageway, it became inadequate as housing developments expanded across Greater Portmore, Hellshire, and surrounding areas. Daily congestion, long commute times, and safety concerns became common experiences for motorists and pedestrians alike. The decision to dualize the road was therefore not simply an upgrade, it was a response to the evolving demands of a growing urban population. Dualization involves expanding the roadway to accommodate multiple lanes in each direction, typically separated by a median. In the case of Braeton Road, this has included widening the road, improving intersections, installing proper drainage systems, and adding sidewalks for pedestrian use. These enhancements collectively aim to create a safer, more efficient, and resilient transportation corridor. One of the most immediate benefits of the dualized road is the improvement in traffic flow. With additional lanes, vehicles can move more freely, reducing the bottlenecks that once defined peak hour traffic. In conclusion, the dualization of Braeton Road is a transformative development that addresses immediate transportation challenges while laying the groundwork for future growth. It represents a strategic investment in connectivity, safety, and economic development, ensuring that Portmore can continue to evolve as a modern and efficient urban space. Alright guys, that's the end of the update. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.